Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. So in this video we are going to see about our weekly series. So what are the stocks we have been getting for the investment swing trade as well as the intraday opportunities. So those things we will be analyzing in this video, and before getting into this video please do subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Telegram for the live market updates. And also, we are not a SEBI registered analyst. I am just sharing my personal interpretation. So, before making any trading decisions, please make your own analysis and consult your financial advisors. Come, let's get into this video now. So, for this week series, we have to Bank of Baroda. So, for the swing trade as well as for the investment opportunities. So, what has happened on Bank of Baroda? Let's come into this. So this is the Bank of Baroda chart. If we see here, there is a formation of triangular pattern, and finally there is a breakout on last week, which is the Friday we got the breakout. If we move on to the weekly time frame, so we will be getting the same breakout in weekly time frame as well. Why? Because this breakout has been happened on Friday. Hence, the it will be a weekly breakout as well as it will be the daily breakout. Come, let's get into this daily time frame. Yeah. So the what happened in the past history, if we analyze, so the stock has been started to rally from 40 rupees, and it has been stopped the rally at 100 rupees, and finally it started to make the triangular pattern. And last week we have received the massive breakout with huge volume, which is very high potential, that the stock has the potential to go higher price in the upcoming days. And I have been choosing this stock for my next 3 months of investment, and I will be I will be buying the stocks for around 10 to 15% of my entire portfolio. And my risk and reward, let's get into this. If you see here, my first target will be this high, the previous swing high, which is around 100 rupees. It will be around 15% of my 15%. And regarding the stop loss, just below this candle, if any one 15 minutes candle closes, I will exit the trade. And also for the investors more than the 3 months, you can hold the stock till 108, and post that we can expect the target of around 132. So now let us move on to the next stock, which is ASHOKA BUILDCON. So as reality stocks are getting a rally in the past weeks, we can also expect the rally in upcoming weeks as well. So okay, so if you see here, it's a ascending triangular pattern, and here we have the 1, 2, 3, 4 reversal point, and this is also we can consider as the fifth reversal point, as the candle didn't close above this level. So tomorrow, if any 1 hour candle got closed above this level, which is around 118, so we can make the long entry, and we can expect the target of around 145. It's around 30 rupees, and if we convert into percentage, it will be around 25% approximately. And for the long trade, and for the investors, long term investors, they can expect around 170 in the upcoming days, and 190, sorry, 189. Okay, so please do add these both the stocks in your watch list for the upcoming days. Come, now let us get into this next one. UPL. So what has been happened on UPL is the UPL started to rally from around 400 levels, and it has started and got stopped at 865. Obviously, the stock has been doubled, and the pattern of a falling wedge has been started to form. And in the last week, it has been closed inside this resistance line, which means the breakout, it's not provide the breakout, but it's at the verge of breakout. If any breakout happened on the upcoming days, we can make a long entry with this stop loss of the breakout candle low. And regarding the target, we can expect the target of around 855 as our first target, and as a second target, okay, first target 855, and as a second target we can expect around 895. Okay, now let us move on to the next one. And regarding the intraday trades, if any one 5 minutes candle has been closed above this previous week high as well as the previous day high, which is high value of 748, then you can make the long entry with the target of around 771 and 787. Okay, the next stock which we are having in our watch list is IGL. If you see in IGL, let us move on to the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, the IGL is traveling inside the channel pattern. If you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reversal points, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 reversal points. So long we can expect the bull run in the next upcoming days. Why? Because IGL is trying to make the double bottom pattern in the daily time frame. The drop has started from 600 level and got stopped at 510, and now the formation is like double bottom. If any one bullish candle formed, we can make the long entry with the target of around 580 level. So please do make use of this analysis, and let us get into this next one. UPLEX. So actually, I have been posted this video on last week itself, but we missed it. Anyway, we have still have the opportunity on this stock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reversal points, and finally on Thursday we got the breakout. And one day we had the consolidation, and the next day, which is on Friday, we have this rally. In the upcoming days, if the price sustains around this level, 595, we can make the long entry with the stop loss of around 540, and as a target of around 692. And for the intraday traders, if there is any one 5 minutes candle has been closed above this level, you can make the long entry. So this reward ratio should be more than 1:1. Okay, next one is on BERGER paint. So if we see here, BERGER paint, longer time there is a formation of this triangular pattern, and bottom side we have 3 rejections, and higher side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections. And in the upcoming days, if we have any one strong bull candle formation, we can make the long entry with the stop loss of that bull candle low, and I will be our entry point, and with the target of around whatever we having the stop loss, we can have 1 is to 1.5, which means our stop loss is nearby 50 rupees and our target should be 75 rupees. Yeah, okay, let's move on to the next one. Adani Enterprise. It's also the same kind of pattern which we have been discussed on the BERGER paint, and if we see here, we have the number of reversal rejection points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Higher the chances the stock has potential to give the breakout in the above side, and it will give the rally. If you see here, whatever the rally here, the same rally we can expect once we have the breakout on these levels. And in the higher side, we have the rejection of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times it got rejected and 6 times it got rejected in the bottom side. So it has higher the potential. So make use of this stock. And what about the target means, we can have the target of this lifetime high as our first target, and above that, based on our risk reward ratio, we can trial the stop loss. Yeah, next one, it's on the TCS. So in the last week, we had a IT sector has been fallen and also it got recovered. So if you see here in the TCS, it seems to like the double top pattern, but it's not the pure double top. Why? Because the previous high price has been already taken. There is a chances it may happen to make the SL hunting as well, but as it's a very good stock and it also provided the breakout, and in the Nifty IT it is going bullish, so we can consider this stock for our long entry, and we can make the long entry around this price, which is okay. The current market price is also a very good price to enter. Also, if there is a chances, we can make the long entry around 3892 level and stop loss of around 3815. And regarding the target, we can, for the investors, you can wait for the level of 4600. So it has potential to give more than the 12 to 13 percentage. And for the swing traders, whatever the stop loss you are having, so you can have the target of 1:2 risk reward ratio. And next one, I have one more thing. If you see here, this bull run, after this long bull run, whatever the profit, those profit has been booked, and here we have the new longers, new bullish new buyers, and we can expect this bull run to be continued further till the 4,600 level. Okay, next one. So next one is on Muthoot Finance. So already we have been posted this chart in our Telegram group as well as in our YouTube channel. So here we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections, and it's a very good rejection. So in the upcoming days we can expect the chart can go like this, and here breakout. And whenever we have the breakout, as like the BERGER and Adani Enterprises, we can expect a very good rally in this stock as well as. And the trend for all the three stocks is bullish: Adani Enterprise, BERGER and Muthoot Finance. Okay, and in the bottom side we have the 1, 2 and 3 rejections, and at the top of the side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections. And I recommend any 1 day time frame entirely close above this level. Why? Because if you see here we have a stop loss hunting, and here we have the stop loss hunting. So higher the chances, if we have make any entry in a 1 hour time frame, there may be some stop loss hunting also possible. So just hold on for the 1 day time frame day close, and then you can make the long entry with the initial target of around 1616, and further you can trial your stop loss, and make sure for the swing traders your risk reward ratio should be maximum minimum of 1:1.5. So next one is on the advanced enzyme. So this chart is also we have been posted already, and those who have not made a new buy entry, you can hold on for this moment. And once after the breakout of this level, the zone 436, then you can make the long entry with the target of 488, and as the second target of 580. 480, 580 can be the target for advanced enzymes. So for now you can hold on. So one who have been placed the already entered into this stock, so just be patient. So higher the chances we can have the breakout on above side, and also the breakout can be very huge like this one. Around this breakout was around 13%. If there is any breakout like 13%, that move we can capture as we already entered into this stock. Next one is Ambuja Cement. So in the upcoming two stock, Ambuja Cement and ACC, I found some triangular pattern, but also we need to be very careful on this. Why? Because if you see here we have a head and shoulder pattern also. In case if there is any breakdown in this trend line, higher the chances the Ambuja Cement will reach around 340 level. Currently it is on 400 level. So around some 20%, I think some 20% move can be expected if it has been break down in the below level. So next one is on the ACC. So ACC, it's also like the same trend, but if we see here, the neckline has been already broken. If we have this horizontal support like structure, the support has been already broken and it started to go down. But if we have a head and shoulder pattern like this structure, we can expect the ACC can go further high till this level, which is 2370, and it can take its fall. Okay, and up to this level here the candle will tell us some story. Based on that story we can interpret the further moves. Okay, and for the intraday traders, if there is any one 5 minutes candle has been closed, then 2286 you can make the long entry with the target of around 2332 and as well as the 2356. And I think that's all for this. Yeah, so that's all for this weekly analysis. And we have one more weekly analysis series. It's a specific and especially made for the auto sector. So in our next video, kind of following this video, I will be making one more video. It's completely for the auto sectors. So let's get connected in that video. So have a nice week. Happy trading.